Wanna watch what I go on? I come and shop and see Sophia boil hockey and saltfish in a microwave in one cup. Watch.
So we can cook the ackee, salt, fish, ackee and something. I know ackee and what it. I look up. Easy pot today. We'll look at that ackee. So one thing with me, plate I got it down here. So anyway, I find them here and everything will go in the little ackee. But me cook one little ackee pot today in the microwave. I can't bother forget to cook my food. I don't know if this safe or anything, but that me I go do. So I have 2 little pieces of garlic right here. So 2 bigger garlic. 1 little piece of scallion, as I say. And a little ackee that me I cook. 1 little stalk of scallion. So I get them here strip. Onion. And of course, I have 1 good old scotch bonnet pepper right here. So the pepper there, pepper very expensive. Yeah, so when you see pepper, I'll go all right now. So I have the little scotch bonnet pepper there. So I get them here, clean them, and wash off. You know, our miracle make a work today, you know. Yeah, a miracle. So, with them I have. I not say no sweet pepper, bell pepper, whatever I call it. That I have and that I go use. So I get them wash off. I'm gonna get them here. Cut it now. And see. Everybody cut onion first. I don't know. Anytime I cut up season, I always have to cut the onion first. I don't know why. If it's a trend or what. But I always have to cut the onion first. So I'm not going to put all of the pepper in it because I don't really like spicy food. It smells good too, you know. It smells really good. I'm going to use the inner part of tomato here. And I know who use it, but I'm going to put it in an iPad. As I'm telling you, I want to look a miracle pot me right here. So guys, just stay tuned and watch me work the miracle here. So see, look at seasoning them there. This, I'm going to seasoning, we're going to go in my ackee. And me, not even know if I ackee and saltfish, I'm just going to cook the ackee alone. I don't know yet. As I say, I want quick pot because I'm hungry and I can't bother to go home. I'm going to cook. It's going to be, let me fix it. This is going to be my pot for today. Sometimes I get 1 little piece of saltfish. This will look too much. And 1 little piece of saltfish, I got to do with my 2 seed ackee them. So I'm going to wash off the saltfish now and put it on for boil. Stay tuned. So I'm going to barely make the water cover it. I barely make the water cover it so it will boil over in the microwave. As I tell you now, I want microwave lunch. I cook that breakfast time gone, so microwave pot. Oh. Okay guys, so there the microwave stopped. That's like the first 3 minutes gone. So I'm going to take out saltfish now. It never boil up. Now boil up. So I'm gonna give 3 more minutes and make it boil. I'm gonna throw off the water here. Now throw off the water. Get now throw off the water here and give 3 more minutes. Because I want it salt. So I'm gonna give 3 more minutes and then boil it again. So guys, normally I put the ackee and the saltfish in the same pot to boil. Today I can't do that because I only have 2 small containers here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this to boil to put the ackees in. I like them probably can't hold in it, but see look at ackee there. I like them must hold in it, but I have to boil it in this. I can't boil it with the saltfish because of the size of the container. So I'm going to put this in the microwave as well with the saltfish. Let's hope it's not turn over. So anyway, put that in our microwave. Make sure it what them boil. May I give it 5 minutes this time. So I'm going to give it 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And after that, I put in the ackee them up. You want some of my food?
You want it? Say food cook already?
I don't cook yet. Oh yes, what happened? Where you take up in my shop for us? Walk in here as not have a like here.
Give some baking powder then.
Baking powder? Yes. And see food here, there's a food smell the pot. A little bit of food me a cooking now. Oh, you see what me a cooking now? Microwave. Yeah, see look a bit of ackee there? Little bit, yes.
Wait, so I water there. Me stop playing me like that no man.
Look at hurry up and come out, see back. Oh, you know want this?
Give me something, what?
What?
Give me something.
With something?
Baking powder.
See baking powder of this one? Saltfish are boil, everything boil. Oh, we can't go anywhere and survive. So me go put the top on nice. Well, this is me then.
What kind of biscuit you want? I'm ready to shop in on the face. Pineapple cake, how much for that? No, you buy it? Where is it? Oh. So if you're bad,
last night?
you're bad, you're a boy lucky in a microwave, you're bad.
Yeah.
And saltfish, you cook up your ackee and eat them.
I do everything, all my rice are going nice.
So how much do you make, Sophia?
What is that?
This not this. Pineapple cake and water.
Water and get to it.
You know if you use tablet?
You know, go school, love.
Wait there.
Oh, it's right.
Look for pineapple cake. Ah, this about me.
You have
to type in pineapple cake, brother. Pineapple cake.
Water.
Free type in pineapple cake.
Syrup on this something.
How
much you pineapple cake? When you get syrup on this, you're gonna have iPhone.
Tell him.
Pineapple.
I want to watch what I go on. I come and shop and see Sophia boil ackee and saltfish in a microwave in a one cup. Watch it. This is sitting there a sign. A jam and eh? No, sir. Tell me where it is. Tamara, what is it? Tell me where it is.
A little bit me a cook.
Me a go down and come back for some of my food. I could have deal, I could have half cup of rice.
Of course, me a go fry it up in a microwave. You know, watch me. See me plate here. This me a cook the rice in a this. So that means say I myself me a cook for. Alright, so the ackee and saltfish they don't cook. I go drain it off now. Drain it off. And my food, the sister combo, she wants some of the food. She not getting any because a big Jill be a cook. My shop counter, my kitchen counter for today. Before I fry up the saltfish, before I fry up the seasoning for the ackee and the saltfish, I go do the rice. So that's when I do that. I just I go cook the rice. And I'm using parboiled rice. Why I'm using parboiled rice? Because it is much easier. It is much easier to cook than the other rice. Well, for me, it is much easier to cook than the other rice. My sister says she wants some of the food. I don't know how it will go because I want one little half pound of rice we cook. I don't know if the plate end up full, then fine. See, one little cup of rice we cook. I don't know if I have half cup or what. maybe half pound. I open a boil over and outdo the pot. Open a swell up. Too much. So anyway, see, half pound. I'll wash the rice and put it on. So watch me do my, stay tuned and watch me cook my microwave dinner. All these, I can't live up, I can't go to prison, but I don't have microwave in a prison where they can use to cook. But with me, anything when I get to use, I go utilize it to the best of my ability. And then say when life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. Today I'm making apple juice. So I use the microwave for cook my dinner or my lunch. Alright guys, so I put in my scallion, a little piece of scallion and thyme they look nice. A little piece of green pepper. It's a $40 butter. If you don't know nothing about ghetto shop, yeah, it's a $40 butter in a corner shop. So I put little water in it. I put all of it. So I just put all of it and done. But anyway, put little butter. I actually make this a boil up because when customer they come, I never really want the rice stirred and just in the water. So I have one full pack of salt here. So my backside is look too much. So I put like a salt. Stir it that down and put it back on the stove, the microwave stove. So make that go and cook again. I make it go and cook for probably about 3 more minutes or 5 minutes, not sure. So I pick up a saltfish. I pick out every bone out tight. I don't like saltfish with it. I don't like a fair eat saltfish and a fair look for bone. So when me cook my saltfish, I like take out all of the bone. So when the rice finish cook now, I just fry up the saltfish and throw it on it, and then I have my meal. This is the longest pot I ever cook. I don't cook long, but because I have to be timing it because of the situation, that's why the pot takes so long. But anyway, yeah, it's getting there because some of it done already. Most of it finished already. Take out alcohol. So that's like a bit light bill, but I'm not dead for hungry. I prefer pay the light bill than dead for hungry. Rice look like it's shelled down. Then who never knows a shelly rice can cook in a microwave? Watch it. Shelly rice. Then tomorrow I really want some of that. This is one little plate of food, yeah? See there guys. Rice well shelly. Not even a taste it if it cook. I just look like it cook. Was it tough? So I'm gonna eat up the island of this. First, got this, I probably have to go fry it up in a cause I already used the container here for cook the rice. So I'm gonna eat up the island in a this. So when the oil hot, when the oil here hot now, I just throw in the season them and
Microwave, you are so awesome. You are as beautiful as you are awesome.
yeah. So guys, we have the saltfish in here now, so I'll be adding the ackee shortly.
Did you boil the saltfish in the microwave?
Yes.
What?
So I have a little black pepper here. I know say ackee and saltfish not good without the black pepper. So I'm gonna sprinkle like a black pepper peeps. And me I gotta just give this a little story. Like that. Like that. Like I myself me a cook for them.
Oh wow. No, honestly that looks fucking good. You got pepper, you have everything in there.
Yes. I cook my dinner. What you mean? I must have everything in there.
Yes, that look good so for me. Nah lie.
So this is what it looks like. The ackee them kind of mash up because I don't know the chop. But this is my ackee and saltfish. My microwave ackee and saltfish. And my sister insisted she have to get some, so I'm going to share out the cleaner.
Yeah, you could have live a prison again.
Microwave in the prison.
You can run wanted and go live a bush, so I mean.
The microwave in
I don't need to go run no wanted when life is so nice and good out here. You're not easy, girl.
I have to run up right now and live in a bush.
Yeah, why I need to live in a
You
bush?
ask you for more.
Come here, I make food, you know. I'm going to cook it for myself. I never cook it for you. So anyway,
So
this is mine.
so over food in a plate.
The food, this is mine and this is
No, you put
fair.
a flat plate, cheap.
So how fair rice enough?
So you couldn't buy basmati rice.
I have like a basmati rice up here, but I never come here for
I
cook
got
food.
me eat.
I never come here for cook food, Tamara. I just come and work.
Tamara not eat them cheap rice, you know, my friend.
The fair business chef, I go up.
Tell her I say a gourmet rice you eat that Tamara.
I'll part.
Hey, listen, you want to buy one coconut oil?
What?
Eh? One bucket of coconut oil?
Yeah, guys, you see me there today. I make out your food. I first miss this. Me know miss baby that catch coal fire. I use stove. But so if I cook in a microwave today, but me still I eat it. Anyway, food them there.
And you know my food got the oil cook. It tastes like a stove with cooked back. And you do a microwave with cooked, you know? So it look like guys.
It tastes good. Me never 2 minutes eat from morning. I'm hungry, but it a go on.
You know, so it has to taste good and I mean.
I love you too.
I am.
Tamara, I love you so much.
Okay, baby.
More meat than rice. So I have to piece of bread.
You have to buy 2 slices of bread. Buy 2 slices of bread. I can't get everything.
Can
Yeah.
you trust me too?
I can't trust you. I don't trust you. Anyway, guys, thank you for sticking and staying. And that is a new invention. If you're not in the mood for go catch up in a cold stove, or on the gas done or something, this is a new mode for cooking. Not really new mode.
This is what my sister gave me for my birthday. Look up ackee and saltfish and rice microwave. Almost killed me for my birthday.
Too long of your birthday.
From Thursday till now, this is the my birthday from my sister. But I always get from her every year, so look at she not with this year, so I'm still with that.
Buy my juice to watch this so I come and get food.
One slice of bread and I pay for them.
One slice of bread not sell. 2 slices of bread.
Yeah, but more one piece now bring on next slice.
Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. If you have reached the end of the video and you have not yet subscribed, please remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, both at work.
Miss my pretty daughter.
Share the video, leave a comment, turn on your post notification. I'm ever cook with some season and then I dash them.
I tell you to eat the season them because they're good.
Okay. So now you post notification. So when I drop another video.
I'm going to go gym. It's my fun tire right so.
Lazy people are garden. So you always do there and tomorrow you're top. Thank you
Bye
again.
guys.
Thank you again for sticking and saying, come on, coffee juice.